Say hello. Hello. I see you. I'm following you. Yes, I am. We are here with Parker and Squishy's F1bb Pocket Goldendoodles. Yeah. We are 5 weeks old. Ready for our puppy picking coming up. Puppy picking will be, one person's coming this week and the rest is next week. So I'm kind of splitting it up a little bit. But look at our little babies. See the size of my foot? Yeah, 5 weeks old. See, we're tiny. We're tiny and we're hiding. Yes. Come here. I know I sound different. Freaking out everybody because I sound different. Hi, here's Purple Girl with our little liver nose. And there's our orange collar boy with the white. And our light pink girl. And say hi, Reddy. Hi, Reddy. What did I miss? Blue collar is back here behind my bum. There we go. Here's our blue collar boy. He's the lightest. He's going to be kind of a light white creamy with dark ears. Come over here, guys. Come on, you need to come out here so we can see you. Yes, come out here. Hi. You going for the toys? Are you going for the toys? You're all just going to stay right there in a big fluff pile, huh? Yeah. What does that mean? Yeah. We have fluff pieces from their rug over here. Yeah. Hi. I know I can't talk. I sound ridiculous, don't I? Here's our purple girl. So everybody has a nice soft cottony feel. I would say everybody has a tad bit of a curly to them except for Orangey boy here. Orangey's gonna stay that just wavy. Yeah, but I don't feel fleece. It's more of a curly cotton. Really don't feel that fleecy coat in there, but we do have some curly. Can you guys talk to me? You're just gonna stay in a huddle? Are we gonna huddle? Oh, now don't do that. Now don't fall asleep. No. Yeah. There's Blue Boy. Hi. Yes. Blue Boy's just a little stub muffin. Yeah. Oh, you gonna peek through? Yeah, peek through for me. Come here. Come on over here. Y'all are gonna go to sleep. We wasted all of our energy just cleaning up today, didn't we? Yeah. So the thing about the pockets, guys, you really have to watch them under your feet. Because they're going to follow around with you. They want to be with you. And I'm always having to remind my husband and my son, who are size 15 shoes, to please watch out for these babies because they're even smaller than my feet. Yeah. So you just have to watch out for them. They're little. Yeah. Well, we're not doing much here today, are we? No. We will have another video next week before the rest of the picks. We have a pick coming this Thursday. And then we'll have better video. I'll remember that we get tuckered out here. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Yes. Are you waving at me? Are you waving at me? Don't clobber your brother. Don't clobber your brother. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Come on out of your hiding place. Yes. Thank you. I took their mommy away. I took your mommy away. Yeah. Come on. Come on out, Reddy boy. Come on out, Reddy boy. He's not sure. Oh my goodness sakes. Oh my goodness. We are just so lovable. Excuse this room. We still have to put the baseboards in. We are in our new show building here. Yeah. This is where the puppies end up for the training part and for the picking part and all that. So they start off in the newborn nursery, but Parkers have been here the whole time. Yeah. So we still have some things to work on, don't we? Yes, we do. Oh, doesn't that feel good? Yes. Who's crying? I know. She'll be in a minute. I promise. Mommy will be in a minute. Yeah. Oh, they're so soft. We got a little bit of white there on our paws. Yeah. And you can see the difference here between blue collar boy and the others with the white versus the kind of creamy color. Yeah. Come on out, Reddy. Come on out, Reddy. Come on out. Blue's like, I got this. I got this. So we are already munching on food here. Yeah, we're doing it. We're acting like big babies. So I'm just gonna hold my foot up here so you guys can see just how big. I'm a size like 8.5, depending on what I wear. All right, guys, this will be it for this week, and then we'll have another video for those that are coming to pick next week. And by that time, we'll also know the first 2 picks of the litter. The first 2 picks are going to be these 2 right here, light pink and purple. Whichever one the first pick does not choose, the second pick will choose. So the videos next week, I'll have everybody, but for those picking next week, you can pay attention to the 3 boys. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna say bye-bye as Blue clobbers his head. You say bye for me, Orangey? Say bye-bye. We'll see you guys later. Yeah.